Okay, today we're going to take a look at a little bit different Zippo. Now this one arrived in a special, well, it's got the protective sleeve on it. And it says on the label, zipped. That's all it says above the barcode. And it does have the special two-tone case. Also says zipped there. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. So this is another 1941 replica, and you can see it's the zipper. It's got that nice Zippo logo in the right lower, and it says several distinctive characteristics distinguish the 41 replica from modern Zippo lighters. It's got a flat plain case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, and a replica inside unit. Modern Zippos have 5 barrels, or a 5-barrel hinge. So there is the zipper. It's really flat on the sides and on the front. Kind of a street chrome finish with a steel insert. Lights up nice. Now this insert only fits these replicas because it's more square than the normal Zippo. Now this one was made in E of 12, so it's not a real hot seller. I think that's May of 12, and one of the distinctive features of this lighter is the patent number in the lower left. See if you can read that. Patent number 20, could be a 3, 2032695. Anyway, it's a replica of the patent they used to put on these Zippo lighters. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this. A lit drop test with the overhead fan going. Let's try it again. Okay, that time it passed the drop test. So that is the zipped Zippo. I think I have another one of these. Yeah, I got one more of these that I found in my collection. That's the other one. And this one was also made in 2012. So it looks like they did the zipper design a few years ago. They're both nice. And I think both of them could use a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.